Hello, what's going on again, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of tough stains that are on your RV. So in this video I am using the 05 Wilderness travel trailer behind me. It's got some stains on it, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. There are two things that you can use. The first one is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. It works pretty good. And then we got some Barkeeper's Friend to get the tougher stains out. Both of these are pretty good. They will not hurt the surface. They can take the wax off of it though, so you may have to re-wax the RV or those sections once you're done. But I'll show you the stains we got, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, here's one of the stains. It's real dark and black. They look almost like scratches. Probably something metal was leaning up against it. There's another one there. A few more there. But the rest of it looks pretty good. There's a section under one of the windows back here. Yeah, right here. This window has leaked at one point and has caused this stain. I don't know if it's a rust stain or just dirty water or what, but you can see it's all the way down. So we're going to try to get all this off. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to use is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I did wet it. It's a little damp, and basically I'm just going to rub it on here and hopefully it'll come off. Magic Eraser did really well on those. It took them all 100% off. I'm gonna go grab a towel and dry that off now. Okay, you can't even tell that the stains were there, or those marks. It does look like it takes the wax off though, like I said, so you will probably have to re-wax those sections, or next time you wash it, wax the whole thing again. Okay, the Magic Eraser worked really well on the other side, so we're going to try it on these stains now. And it too is taking it right off. Magic Eraser was working really well, but now I'm going to try the Barkeeper's Friend and see how well that works. I got a wet rag. I'm going to sprinkle some of it on the rag, and then I'm going to just rub it on. heavier stains, but then when it gets real faint, I think the Magic Eraser's doing a little better. So I'm gonna switch back to that. Okay, so there you go. It's taking these spots off about 98%. There's still very faintly right here. I'm gonna keep working on it. But yeah, I'm also gonna try down here a little lower, so we'll give that a try. As you can see, the Magic Eraser took all of the staining off. It worked really well. Now you can still see right there where the wax has been taken off. But there's no more stains, so that's a big plus. Looks 100 times better. And like I said, it took the stain off this one as well. Now the two products that I used, like I said, was the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, which is this. It actually worked a little bit better than the Barkeeper's Friend, which is this stuff right here. So I've used them both on all of my RVs, getting rust off and everything. So I would highly recommend it. So if you have any hard to get stains and normal washing will not take them off, I would recommend using one of those two products. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Hopefully this will help, and yeah, good luck, and thanks for watching.